Joining me now, the great Brian Kilmeade, co-host of Fox and Friends and host of One Nation with Brian Kilmeade on Fox News. And I got to plug his radio show.
You were just on.
I mean, it's a great show. You're a great host. And the great Katie Pavlich, editor at townhall.com and Fox News contributor.
I would
so
never
much going on.
though.
Listen, I'm going to ask you, we've been beating up the possibility of tariff deals, good. Trump on a roll, good. Outfoxing Xi Jinping, okay. But when you look at a couple of polls that have come out recently, the Economist YouGov poll, Trump is underwater on the economy. He's underwater on inflation. When you look at the Quinnipiac poll, he's underwater on the economy and he's underwater on tariffs. In other words, politically, this is not really selling very well at the moment. And I thought you two would have something to say about that. Katie.
Not yet. And if it doesn't go the way the president wants it to, and that beneficially benefits Americans and transforms the global trade industry in the way that he wants it to benefit the American economy and to put China in its place after manipulating the World Trade Organization and all of the global markets for years, then yes, it will be bad politically. However, these polls are a snapshot in time. The president has been in office for less than 100 days.
Right.
When you're dealing with this big global transformation that includes trillions of dollars worth of economic input and output, it's going to take some time. And I think that the White House is looking at this in the perspective of having a long-term plan and putting the polls aside for now. They may start worrying about them in 9 months when the midterm elections are coming up. But by then, they say that they'll have some trade deals within the next 90 days, in fact. So once these things start rolling in, we may see those numbers change.
Trade deals are really essential politically and economically in terms of the stock market, Brian. But I don't know, have they sold this as well as they should? Is this politically viable? How patient are Americans going to be?
No, I feel like we knew it was Liberation Day, but we didn't know it was going to end up being U.S. versus China Day. And that's what it ended up being. And not many people say, oh, look at the bond market, honey, so quiet down. That's what really unearthed everything. And it turned out to be a two-way fight. And we feel like we slid into it. Even though the matchup was long coming, he's talking about that since, for 15 years, even before he ran for office when he was doing your show over at CNBC. So I get it, but we kind of skid into this fight, and I wouldn't care at all about the polls if I'm the president until after the big, beautiful bill passes. Between that, this is going to work out by then, and the other smaller deals to reconfigure our relationship, especially with the EU. Vietnam is being done as we speak.
Unbelievable.
Israel's being done right now. Then South Korea, Japan. When these start coming in, it's going to it's going to be an improvement. So they're going to be improvement. Somehow there's going to be a resolve in China, and then you have the big, beautiful bill. I would say book Katie and I October 1st.
All right.
Right? Or September 1st.
That's basically my point of view. It's been a rough patch.
Yeah.
As you noted, but he's only been in for a little bit. But stocks and bonds are both revolting. Now, there's more in life than corrections in the stock market. I understand that. I happen to support his reciprocity policy 100%.
Yeah.
Always have. Here's one that I will not support. There's so much talk that Republicans in the White House and maybe on the Hill want to have some tax hikes inside the big, beautiful bill. The top tax rate going from 37 to 39.6, so they can argue that it's really not a tax cut for rich people. If you ask me, this is such an old Republican stupidity thing. Read my lips, no new taxes. You could raise the top rate 20 points, and Democrats will still say it's a tax cut for the rich. That's all they know what to say.
You could raise the rate to 100% confiscation, including on capital gains, and they would still say that the billionaires shouldn't have any kind of breaks at all, despite the number of jobs they create, et cetera. There should be no tax increases in this bill. It's completely unnecessary. The first time the Trump tax cuts passed, it benefited the vast majority of the country, including the middle and lower classes. That is what people want to see. And like you said, it's a minuscule amount to take more money from the job creators and the businesses in this country to try and say, some moral clarity for Democrats. I mean, maybe it's a way for them to try to get some Democrats on board. But again, as you said, they're not usually interested in that bipartisan.
Last word.
A couple of things, just real quick. The tax cut that you were part of, it benefited the middle class most. You guys do not say it enough.
Yes.
You just let billionaires be billionaires.
There you go.
And number two, really important to say, is they have to find a way to make up for the revenue cuts when you do the no taxes on tips, no tax on Social Security, raising the SALT tax level. Somehow they've got to have a pay for. So that's
Tariffs.
what, right? Oh, tariffs.
That's
so
what he
you
wants
tell
to make
you got to
it
go,
up with.
Larry. You got to go help him find that
That's
money.
an option.
I'm going to take the tariff money. Katie Pavlich and Brian Kilmeade, you all going to be on the 5.
I'll be on the 5 shortly.
And
Thank you
Sunday
very
at 10
much.
o'clock with One Nation. We'll talk
One
about
Nation
this.
and the radio show. Don't miss
and the radio
show. Don't miss Brian's One Nation with Brian Kilmeade, Sundays at 10 p.m. Eastern on Fox News.